If you're looking for a creative way to hang out with your friends, try having an art party. The best part is you don't even have to be artsy to participate. It's just a fun way to get together and try something new. We had one last week where we enjoyed each other's company, ate a delicious brunch, and used Marvy Uchida products to try our hand at whatever came to mind. We promised you the results last week, so here they are today.
Okay guys, this is my art piece from our art party. I made a little concept from all of my adventures in Denver for the last 3 months, so it's been a lot of chaos, hence all of my squiggles and dots, and that's what my brains looks like, so that's what I drew. The sun here is a lot hotter, so the sun is chaos and beauty. It was fun to get to use all the different colors and markers, and then I also did little mountains. I've been to lots of concerts, so I just doodled and did a bunch of fun things surrounding around that. So this is my art piece.
I am working on the back of this shoe right here. And what I started with was we had a bunny rabbit on the other one. So I decided to start with some carrots. And then it just kind of started forming to the shape. So I started putting the sun onto the other side. And I love working with more of a 3D project, more of a canvas. So yeah, that's what I have here.
So here's the thing. Art, not my thing. So let me show you what I've done. I did this because spring. Then I was like, oh, I'll trace something and I'll draw beautifully. No, then I threw caution to the wind, and I drew a sun, and I felt proud of this. Cowboy up. Might have stole this from Pinterest. It's okay. And then my final one, I just started drawing shapes, and this is what I've come up with.
This is our drawing of a large monkey on roller skates getting ready to fight a large lizard with lightsabers.
Yeah, it was inspired by my youth. I feel like it really symbolizes what it's like to grow up and take on the world. Take it as you will. I love it. We had a great time.
For this one, I did an impressionistic version of a skunk here. You can see the tail and the curl of the tail here. His face has morphed into something very different, but I think it just really represents how we see art and how other people may see it as disgusting, but ultimately that can also be beautiful.